Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Take Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to switch the side to the desktop side to on your Samsung browser on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to switch to the desktop side on your Samsung internet browser on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. So I just opening the something like this. It shows on the mobile browser view. So I just click, if you want to change it, just click on the status option first, then click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, go to the web page view, and here you have this option called show default show desktop site. Click or turn this on. You can just use this option. Otherwise, you have just open any site first, then click on the three dot and just click on the desktop site. That's it. So if I just opening another tab here, for an example, just going to add more tab. So just going to switch to the Flipkart. So I just clicking on the Flipkart. Now you just need to switch to the desktop site manually, right? But if you just go to the setting option and view on the web page, if you just click this will be made as a default. So now I just going to switch to another new tab. Here just opening the Galaxy Shop. Now you can see it's automatically switched to the desktop site. So this is how you just make a default desktop site, or you can just switch to the desktop site on your Samsung Internet Pro. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.